Alright, so here it is again. The TechDeck Pro Series Daily Grind Pack 2.0. I have the Daily Grind Pack 2.1, or Daily Grind Pack, whatever. And it was pretty cool. It came with a rail, a fun box, and then the concrete barrier, the ledge, which is pretty dope. So this looks pretty cool, man. It's like high quality steel right there. This looks pretty freaking legit. Light on. Let's see, I took that off. There we go. You have to build it. So I have another one coming, and I'll end up doing that one with the kid. So, but it's nice to see TechDeck go back to like real metal stuff, because they used to make TechDeck stuff out of plastic with like real metal rails, and then they just cheaped out and started making it out of all plastic, which kind of turned me off to buying TechDeck stuff. So I started buying, like, I don't know, cool things like this. I bought this from a dude on Etsy, and I haven't ever seen somebody else skating one like it. Little power box. So it's super dope, and I like to have like unique obstacles in my videos, because everybody else has the same old stuff. So this is kind of cool. I mean, yeah, I bought the TechDeck stuff, so after a while everybody will have them, but for right now it's like a seldom few people actually have it. So it's pretty cool. And we'll build this thing up real quick, and we'll give it a test out. Alright, so there's all the stiffs. Put these things back in there, because I have, like I said, I have another one. I said it in another video that I bought one. I saw the message at like 7 in the morning or 8 in the morning, and on like Reddit, and somebody was like, they're on Exodus and Target. So I immediately went to the Target shop, or Target store, and bought one. And then, you know, free shipping, all of that, hoo-ha. And then it like was shipped from Pennsylvania. It was on its way, and then all of a sudden it got lost in transport. So it says, keeps saying delayed. It was supposed to be here today. I bought it on like Tuesday, so no clue what's going on. The little wow, the little TechDeck tool is actually really cool. It's like metal. Normally they just give you like this yellow cheap piece of crap. So I've got so many of those laying around. But I actually, shout out to Teak Tuning, I actually invested in their little case. It has all of the fingerboard whatnot stuff that you need, like doing fingerboards, putting them together and stuff. Used to kill my hands because I was doing it with these little tiny wrenches and I didn't have real tools. So I ended up buying the Teak Tuning like board holder thingy, brace maker, whatever, and I bought it, but I've never actually used it, because once I got real tools it wasn't hard to put together fingerboards anymore. So it's kind of funny. It's just kind of funny how things go sometimes. It's just kind of funny. My little funny fuddy-duddy. Do 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 do. it's kind of a bitch to get these in here, huh? That's probably why they give you the solid metal tool. So you can really crank them in there. Get them in there nice and deep like. So there's leg 1. Leg 2. I hope they're, yep, they're right. I guess you can't really mess it up. Damn, I wish I had a real screwdriver though, I'll tell you that. Try this one. That one's not gonna work. They're too tiny for like a real screwdriver. Like the actual hole, a real screwdriver wouldn't fit in there. It would not fit in the hole. That's what she said, right? I don't know how they expect people to put it together with this tiny ass little tool though. Like, I'm just gonna say that real. Like, yeah, the first side was fine, but I don't know. Just don't know how they expect people to build that with a tiny little tool. Hopefully these things don't strip. It seems pretty solid. It's probably gonna go like this, huh? Yep. So now I gotta hold it, screw it together. Lovely. Oh, you know what? I'm dumb. I should be using the teak tuning one. That's what they're for. And they're actually really good. They're not gonna like crap out. And they're magnetized, so I should hold those screws just fine. Okay, let me pull this one back out then. After I completely annihilate the threads. There we go. Okay. She's in. We're in. It's weird to like be a content creator. I don't know. Yeah, I got my headset on. I'm still kind of like working. I'm on break, but I think it's kind of weird to be a content creator. Like you just sit around and make content. It's just weird. I mean, it's cool. I like making videos and stuff. I like getting new fingerboard stuff and like making review videos and playing with them and stuff. I bought some Foul Fingers stuff back in April. It was April 26th to be exact. And today is July 26th. And I still haven't received those items that I paid for back in April. Dude just keeps sending me messages and excuses about You know, how he can't, I don't know, how he had to move his shop 3 times in 2 months, and he's got a baby and a real job, and it's just like, dude, who doesn't have stuff going on? Like, everybody has stuff going on, and you shouldn't be out here taking people's money and not giving them their damn products. And guess what? He does it to everybody, because there's a lot of people online that said they've bought stuff from him and never received it. So, dude's probably like a drug addict, and he can't give us our money back because he's already spent it. Like, so I'm out like $75 for 2 ledges that I'll never see, which, you know, it's kind of shady. Not really a good business ethics. That feels stripped. Maybe not. Okay. Yeah, it's terrible business ethics, but what can you do? You know, had I known that it was going to be a rip-off, I wouldn't have done it, but those ledges looked cool, and it said, back in stock, so I got excited, and then I bought them, and then after I buy them, I see that it says, all orders take a minimum of 30 days to make, so I waited. And then I messaged him after it had been 30 days, wondering, you know, what's up. And no reply. Finally, he replies, and he's like, this is like June 12th, he replies. And he's like, yeah, I'm going out to ship out some orders on Friday, June 14th. And your order is part of that batch. So I was like, all right, cool. And I actually went camping that weekend. It's like Father's Day weekend. And got back. Still no like tracking information or anything like that. So a couple, 2 more, 3 weeks go by. I messaged the guy again. I'm like, hey, you know, like, what's up? And he's like, oh, you know, like, promise you there's a coming. I don't know, it's just more bullshit excuses. And then, you know, he told me again on July 3rd that he was going to be sending my stuff out that Wednesday, or sorry, it was the following Wednesday, I believe. Wednesday or Friday or Thursday or whatever day. Anyway, the day comes and passes, still hasn't sent my stuff out. I did get a tracking information from UPS and a tracking information from USPS, but neither one of them have the package because he hasn't sent it out yet, and the tracking hasn't updated. And it's been like 90 days. So I texted dude yesterday, or I messaged him, and I'm like, yo, just cancel the order and give my money back. Like, I'm not playing this game anymore. Like, you have a business, you're taking orders from people, and you're just taking their money and not fulfilling those orders. So just give me my money back. And I think the reason he keeps avoiding the whole giving the money back situation is because he doesn't have the money to give, because he probably spent it on drugs or something. Saw the dude on Instagram. He doesn't look, I don't know, I hate to judge a book by its cover, but he does kind of look like he's druggy, so, but who knows. Anyway, here's the picnic table and rail, which I don't really need the rail, but we'll use it. The picnic table's cool, and I ended up buying a picnic table on Amazon like, I don't know, a week or 2 weeks ago, and I ended up, it was just like kept falling apart because it's like notch holes, so I super glued it together, and now that it's like a solid one piece, TechDeck comes out with this, and now I don't even need that one, but whatever. We'll give it a test, a little test run, a little test grind. Here, put it over here so you can actually see it. Oh, it's actually kind of high, which, that's cool. Yeah, that's cool. Nope. Ew. Yeah, this is pretty cool. Doesn't really make noise, but that's the sound I'm looking for. Alright. Ooh, that would have been cool if they made it so you could have done that, huh? Oopsies. Let's try to nose grind it. Oh, I don't know if I'm going to be able to get it up there. I'm going to have to do the back drag ollie just to get the height. No, I didn't have to do that. I hate back draggers. You know, the people that go like that right before they ollie. They go move forward and then they go like that. Yeah, I can't stand that stuff. Ollie for real, dude. I don't ollie at all. Anyway, that's the video. That's pretty cool. Probably give it I don't know, probably like 8 stars out of 10. I don't know, maybe 9. It's pretty solid, so it's pretty cool. But there's the video, guys. Peace out.